Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on mentions and tags on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First click on your profile icon, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and now click notifications, and here you will find mentions and tags. All you have to do is click like this and it will be turned on, and that's how to turn on mentions and tags notification settings. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.